Good morning, Dave. All right. Got her all cleaned up, fixed up. Made some adjustments to it. Placed a couple little odds and ends. Other than that, she's in good shape. No leaks. No runs. Nice and clean down inside. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay. Look down inside again. Okay, float set right. Look at the numbers. Excuse me, allergies. All right, about 670 on the idle RPM, 2.75 on the fuel pressure, 23 and change on the vacuum. Excellent. All right, let's pull it through a couple times, see what it does. Pardon my fingers. Well, I think I got all the gremlins out of it. Thank you, Dave.